Aloha community. If we've met or if this is our first time meeting virtually, my name is Valerie Sanchez and I am the founder and teacher at Groove and Wellness Online Studio. We're located on the Hawaiian Islands on Big Island in an area called Puna, and I live stream my Nia dance classes and wellness events using Zoom. And that's why I'm here. On Sunday, I'm going to be offering an Intro to Nia dance workshop. Now, if you have been following some of my content or we've been friends or community for a while and you're curious about this Nia thing, this workshop is for you. If you have tried Nia maybe once or twice, have never really found your way back, but maybe you may want to explore that option now, this workshop is for you. And if you're anything like me and Nia is your go-to workout, it has helped you create a committed and disciplined wellness practice, and maybe it's even spilled into your lifestyle, this is definitely for you. I'm gonna be running through the fundamentals that create the Nia practice in bite size, and it's gonna be rich in information yet very simple to follow. And then we're gonna wrap it all together by having an experiential feeling in our body. We're gonna actually dance a beginner level Nia dance class so that you can sense it in your body, sense it in your bones, in your joints, and see how Nia feels for you. It may possibly change something in your life the way it changed in mine over 12 years ago. Aloha, and I hope you'll join me.